Welcome back Australia and New Zealand. Subscribe my channel to get more areas forecast. Look at this, its intensity, tropical low, sustained winds near the center of 55 km per hour with wind gusts to 85 km per hour. Location, within 55 km of 15.3 degrees south 153.8 degrees east. Estimated to be 860 km east-northeast of Townsville and 420 km east-northeast of Willis Island. A tropical low, 05U, is slow-moving in the central Coral Sea and is likely to become a tropical cyclone during Tuesday. The low is forecast to begin moving to the southwest later today, towards the East Queensland coast. The system is forecast to cross the coast, most likely between Innisfail and Airlie Beach, and during Thursday. From Friday, the system is forecast to move inland and further south. The watch area is expected to extend to areas further north as the system approaches the coast. The current watch area covers the next 24 to 48 hours. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour may develop about coastal and island communities between Ayr and St. Lawrence from as early as Wednesday morning and extend to adjacent inland areas later on Wednesday. Heavy to locally intense rainfall which may lead to flash flooding may develop about coastal areas between Ayr and St. Lawrence from late Wednesday before spreading to adjacent inland areas and possibly further north to the north. Tropical coast during Thursday and into Friday. From Friday, the system is expected to become an inland rain depression and heavy rainfall may develop across central and southern inland, as well as southeast Queensland over the weekend as the system tracks south. As the system approaches the coast, a storm tide is possible between Ayr and St. Lawrence. Large waves may produce minor flooding along the foreshore. People between Ayr to St. Lawrence, including Mackay and the Whitsunday Islands, should consider what action they will need to take if the cyclone threat increases. For New Zealand, a warm humid east to northeast flow will cover the central and southern North Island today, while several weak fronts affect the South Island. This is expected to lead to unstable conditions in many central and southern areas today. In the North Island, there is a moderate risk of isolated thunderstorms this afternoon and evening about western and central areas from Taumarunui to Wairarapa, including northern and eastern parts of Wellington. A broader low risk covers other areas from southern Waikato and central Hawke's Bay southwards this afternoon and evening, and also eastern Bay of Plenty and northern Gisborne-Tairawidi this afternoon. Any thunderstorms that occur will produce localized heavy rain, mainly in the 10-25 mm H range. However, about Wairarapa south of Masterton and northern and eastern parts of Wellington, a few of the thunderstorms could be severe with localized downpours of 25-50 mm H, and a severe thunderstorm watch is in force. Downpours of this intensity can cause surface flooding and make driving conditions hazardous.